Feeling ko every 4 to 6 months, nagtatanong na kayo ng heatless curls tutorial. And honestly, kahit panoorin niyo yung really, really old heatless curls tutorial ko na bathrobe pa yung gamit ko, spoiler, nothing changed. This is gonna be my hairstyle for Noche Buena later. And you will see this update in real time. So, ito yung part 1, how to do it. And then the results, magpa-part 2 tayo later tonight. See, the sun is still shining brightly. So, wala pa kayo makukuwang results. But, siguro mga 9 p.m. tonight, you will. This is my freshly washed hair na medyo basa pa rin, pero that's what we want. If you're gonna ask me what products I use, normally wala. Pero if you're someone na laging bumabagsak talaga yung hair, the best advice I could give you is use a curling mousse. Let's be honest, when you use curling mousse, nag-iiba yung texture ng hair mo. Mas magaspang siya. And that's the key para mas kumapit yung curls mo. Kasi magiging rough yung hair mo, holds the curl more. Medyo dry na yung front, pero sa likod, kita nyo, basa pa. And you would want your hair to be 80% dry. For rough dry ko lang siya, I'm gonna use my Panasonic blow dryer. Just the back parts. It's gonna be the heatless curler I use. Honestly, meron din ganito sa TikTok shop. Pero this is more firm than this one, though mas makapal to. Pero the problem I have with this, yung stuffing niya hindi ganun ka-dense. So when I wrap my hair around it, nag-iiba yung curl pattern. I use this one. This one is from Silk Sense. I don't know if open pa rin sila, pero I got this way back nung pandemic pa. And she's been my favorite ever since kasi they say it's 100% mulberry silk. Do I 100% believe that? Hindi. I don't know. I don't know how to tell if it's true. Divide my hair into 2 sections. Like this, put it on top of your head like this, and get a claw clip or something. Keep that section. Usually yung part ko is behind the ear. Yung ear yung gitna. I take the section from my brow going to dun sa hati in the middle. Hati in the middle. Section, wrap. This and hold this, pinch nyo to. And from the back, honestly, just eyeball it. So I'm gonna get from there here sa middle, kung saan kapantay nung ginawa natin sa front, and just go all the way to the back and grab a section, wrap her around like that. Para kang nagbe-braid, pero ang middle piece mo is this one. So next, from my eye, going all the way to the back, kukunin niyo yung unang piece niya din. You have to include that. Preferably, you tie yung hair nyo with a scrunchie para less may mark, less may dent yung hair nyo when you take it out. Anyway, let's do the other side. Same thing lang, tanggalin yung claw clip, move, twist. Wrap her again. Have that tiny little piece. I have layers, so may times na nagaganyan siya. Pero you know, it's not the end of the world. Kain muna ako and watch Emily in Paris. So, be right back.